Industrial augmentation is about finding efficiencies and innovations in and around those machines you already have. Can I give her a spin? With heavy equipment and industry, there's a ton of sunk costs into things like tooling, fuel, and raw materials. Worthwhile builds the software to improve the ROI of your manufacturing or industrial investments. We augment and improve the productivity of this machine. With this, we also help to increase the productivity of people with software. For example, our team has built software to help this luxury car maker with their, stuff.
We wanted to save money on the cost of something.
Anything.
Tell them he uses big data.
I think you just did. These guys make ball bearings for almost every car. Our software helps even the wacky size ones get made to spec even faster. Here, this is quicker. Now you have 6 Skunk Works facilities communicating across tons of projects. Our software will make sure these grills go into those trucks and are wholesaled at your store. And if you need a driver, we've even designed software to help a disruptive startup create the Uber for trucking.
Oh, I just got another pickup.
Good for you. Worthwhile. We make software for heavy industry so that you can make whatever you make with whatever you make it with better. Tell us about your machines.